So I wanted you to see my little buddy I found at a roadside turnoff to go to the washroom. He's a little baby. He's a seagull. I love feeding those little guys. But look at his little leg. Yeah, he's got one leg. It's like, am I gonna be famous? I'm like, yes, little buddy. You're gonna be the famous bird around the world. Where's your other little leg, little buddy? Oh, don't be mad. You hungry? You want hungry? Oh, don't cry. Yeah, in a second. Go first. Yeah. Oh, I'm losing vision. I have to save this video for 1 minute, otherwise I can't post it. And I'm at 56. Hi, little seagull. I love animals so much. If I could save them all, I would. Well, I'm not sure. Someone said he tucked his little leg inside his feathers, but I've never seen a seagull do this before. Sorry, it's not too clear because I got it too close, but I wanted you to see how cute he was.